One of my friends asked me to make a lightsaber render, and I looked up some references and thought it was a really good idea for practice. I gave it a try and it turned out to be a ton of fun to model, and all around a really good experience for some 3D realism rendering. Most of the saber was cylindrical, so it was relatively easy to get the base foundation down, and I just played around with some polygons by deforming them here and there, extruding inwards and outwards, and slapped on some PBR materials and tweaked those settings to get a final result. I hope you guys liked this video, and more will be coming soon.